Good news, guys. The India Young Professional Scheme, the dates are announced. It means you can move to the UK without any job offer if you're aged between 18 to 30 years. But is the process easy? Can you apply on your own? What is the eligibility criteria, the costs involved, and the timelines? If you want to know everything about the India Young Professional Scheme, make sure you watch the video till the end, as I'm going to give you the full demo of India Young Professional Scheme, and also I've prepared some notes which I'm going to take you straight to the UK Home Office website. But before I start, do you guys know that I had been helping students for the last 4 to 5 months now for them to study abroad? So if you're interested to study in any of these listed countries, make sure you fill the online form so that my team can reach out to you and we help you free of cost to write SOPs, to help you scholarship, to help you with shortlisting universities, and also shortlist the country and the courses and many more. So what are you waiting for? Make sure you go and fill the online form so that my team can reach out to you. And also if you want to reach out to me and speak to me, you can book my time and I will be happy to assist you with job sponsorship and also with any study abroad related queries. Now, without any further delay, let's start with today's video. So on the UK Home Office website, it has been updated that the ballot will open from 2:30 p.m. IST from 20th of Feb till 22nd of Feb, 2:30 p.m. IST. Now, remember, this is the step 1 to enter the ballot. There's no fees involved. Number of positions available are 3,000 and you should apply only if you are eligible. Just do not apply because it's free and open to anyone between 18 to 20 years of age. Remember, there are criteria about age and qualification, which I'm going to discuss in few seconds. And remember, the documents which you need for the ballot is just your passport, scan of your passport copy. You should have your name, date of birth, phone number, and how to apply. When this will be open online, it is just an online form which you need to fill, and then you will be taken to enter your credentials, and then that is done. You don't have to write an email. You don't have to do anything else. It is just an online form which you will have to fill when the ballot will be open. Now, let me explain you what are the different steps involved. So we are here, which is step 1, which is still not open, which will open only on 20th of Feb till 22nd of Feb, 2:30 p.m. IST. There is no fees involved, but apply only if you're eligible. And then the next step is only if you are successful. You will be getting an email of a success that you are successful in the ballot. So the next step is to apply for the visa. So that is called invitation to apply. And only when you receive this email, you will have 30 days to apply for this visa. So you can start your preparation in terms of documents and arrange your finances. And then once you are ready, you will have to apply for the visa online on the portal of the Home Office, which will involve costs. So what are the costs involved? One is the application fee, which is going to cost you £298. And then you have to pay the health surcharge, which is £1,552. And then you also have to prove that you have enough funds in your account, which is £2,530. But you don't have to pay this amount. It is only needed to show that you can support yourself when you move to the UK. So the total cost will be £1,850, which is roughly you will be needing 2 lakhs Indian rupees. So only if you have this amount of money, make sure you apply for the visa and apply for the ballot. Just don't apply because you're eligible, and the decision will be given in 3 weeks' time. Now, let me show you quickly the Home Office website. So this is the India Young Professional Scheme, which you can see it's updated today, which is 13th of Feb. And if you scroll down here, you can see these are the updates which is being made. So you still have a couple of days before you have to apply for your India Young Professional Scheme. And when you enter the ballot, they have said you will need your name, date of birth, passport details, scan or photo of your passport, phone number, and email address. That's it. And within 2 weeks, you will be getting email whether you're successful or not. If you don't get an email, it means you're not successful. And they have said there are 3,000 places available for India Professional Scheme visa in 2024. So we don't know if this is the 3,000 available for Feb, or there will be another one maybe in July where they will keep some slots free. So like I said, to enter the ballot is completely free, so you don't have to pay any cost, but later on you will have to pay the application cost and the immigration health surcharge. Now let's quickly understand the eligibility criteria. So this is the eligibility criteria. You must be an Indian national or citizen between 18 and 30 years of old. You must be at least 18 years old on the date you plan to travel to the UK. You must have a qualification at bachelor's degree level or above, which is regulated qualification framework 6, 7 or 8. Not too many people understand candidate. So what you have to do is just click on this link. It will be taking you to this detailed page. Let's quickly move to 6, 7, 8. Based on your qualification, if you're not sure whether you're eligible or not, just read this, whether you have done your degree, apprenticeship, or you have done your graduate certificate, diploma, level 6 award, or level 6 NVQ. Just read this. If your certificate is included here or degree is included, it means you are qualified. So go through level 6, 7, and 8. Now going back to the screen, like I've said, you don't need to pay this amount, 2,530. You have to show this in your bank account to show that you can support yourself when you move to the UK. And you should not have any children under the age of 18 who live with you or who are financially responsible. And you cannot bring your dependent with you on this visa. This is very important. Now, all the details which I have covered in my introduction is already here. So that's all about the India Young Professional Scheme, guys. Make sure you apply only if you're eligible, because last time I know there were a lot of people who reached out to me. They were successful in the ballot, but they did not have enough money in their account and they still applied. So you are losing that space for others. And then also what I've seen, people applied for this visa, but they did not keep the money for 28 days. So 2,530 pounds, you need to keep that money for 28 days in your account. Otherwise your visa will be rejected, which I have seen already last year. So make sure you don't make those mistakes. So that's all for today's video. If you guys got any question, make sure you ask them in the comment section below, and all the best to everyone who is planning to apply for this visa.